Welcome to another Google Ads suspension restoration case study. And before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza, and I'm an owner of a Google partner company with the name of AARSWEBS.com. And we help clients with Google Ads suspensions, disapprovals, and Google Ads management, plus Google Business Profile suspensions, Google Merchant Center suspensions from years. So right now, I'm here with another amazing case study for a client whose Google Ads account was suspended, and you can see over here the account was suspended for circumventing system with multiple accounts abuse policies. And you may be like, oh, what I am saying, okay, I'm going to make it bright for you. So you can see circumventing system multiple account abuse policy. However, your Google Ads account can be suspended for any other reasons, including for egregious violation, unacceptable business practice policy, circumventing systems, clocking, or many other reasons, or for compromise site, misrepresentation. There can be many reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended. However, please keep in mind, once your Google Ads account is suspended, you need to overview all of the factors, because now Google is strict, and in order to restore it, Google is going to look for all of the factors which also Google has previously ignored. So let's say if your account is suspended for circumventing system, but it has clauses for unacceptable business practice policy, the account will remain suspended for circumventing system. So be it suspended in any reason, you have to get compliant for all of the reasons to get it up and running. So this is the case you may see around over here. All takes time and patience. Okay, you can see around over here, this is the case study provided by the client. This is the customer ID. This is the website, and if you look around on the website, this is, you can see around over here, this is the waste management solutions. You can see around over here, this is their website, and this is an approved website, means the compliance has been done by us. So billing country is India, target country is India, account is open on 26 February. You can see around over here. They provided us, they tried 3 appeals and they were not aware of the issue seriousness, and they take some 7 days for re-appeal. So you can see around over here, this is their 3rd appeal. So when we asked them the whole story behind the account suspension, so we asked, I'm going to make it bigger so guys can see it over here. So they said that we created the account on 26 February, got activated, it was active and spent nothing. We taken India Mart subscription for B2B ads, and they created 1-page template for catalog display, created Google business profile with different address than as per records by mistake, then edited multiple times to correct the address and phone number. Now the Google business address, phone number are as per the address. Got mail from Google that my account got suspended. Tried to appeal with my knowledge for 3 times, not successful. During the appeal process, below things are done. Changed payment method to match the company account. Verified the Google pay profile with the mail. You can see around over here that they verified as well, but the account remains suspended for multiple account abuse. So we asked them that they had any other suspended account, and they said no. Now with AI advancement, the account can be suspended mistakenly, or there is a valid reason. Either way, you need to get it compliant. So yeah, you can see now way better. Okay, so after all of this, I want to share you their this whole story. This is a sample appeal which we have done. Okay, this is their website, and please let me know, let me inform you that it is not like that you applied for restoration and it's going to get tomorrow. It took them a while to get it restored. Also the client was very happy, but I'm saying to you that you need to be patient, you need to support, you need to do the changes on the website as my team suggests. You need to do the changes on the ad copies for the compliance. Now Google is looking for all of the factors, even for the factors for which your account was not even suspended for. So we have to get it compliant on all of the sectors. So I'm going to show you few of the things which my team did before the approval. Also you can see around over here that there may be many factors are there. So you can see around, this is one of the restore report where we found some issues over here. We we thought that the, you can see around over here, the main domain shows this phone number, while the business India the business profile on the Google business profile shows this number. So there was a contradict of numbers, small changes over here. You can see around over here, the main domain is indexed as Advaita Hygiene Solutions, while the company uses Advaita Hygiene Solutions Private Limited. So you can see the some wordings over here. So we even need to look at the small details. We need to look at the social media for things over here, and all above we need to check out all of the pages. We even need to look for the broker links, guys. We need to look for the broker links, everything. We need to look for the search console. For the suspension, all of the issues, can be the reasons why your Google Ads account is suspended. Now I'm going to show you another audit as well, because there were multiple audits being done over here. So we primarily look for the about, contact us, privacy, terms, policy pages, home pages as well. So you can see around over here, the privacy policy page loaded the generic information which people usually do copy and paste. So we created a custom appeal for them, a custom privacy policy page. The terms and condition page contains no terms. You can see around over here, we created a custom for them. We discussed the shipping policy page, delivery policy page, return refund policy page. So you can see around over here, a lot of changes were done because the client was using some generic policy pages, which we informed to the client that they can cause issue. We created custom content for them so they can use them on their servers. We added some CTAs. The About Us page was redesigned. Positive signals were increased because the trustiness of the website also needed to be ensured. We looked around for the scam advisor, trust advisor, everything, everywhere to get it compliant, to get it approved, so that your account gets out of the suspended situation. We look for the social media profiles. They were not getting around over here. Some SEO changes were also being done in the part. Some further changes, some you can see around our compliance changes, a visible statement like our official online product catalog is hosted on Advaita Hygiene Solutions, operated by Advaita Hygiene Solutions Private Limited. So you can see sometimes these small changes can cause issue. After this, you need to get compliant with all of the changes, need to be get updated on Google Search Console so that they can visit it. This is one of the sample appeal. Also, there were too much work was done. If I'm going to show you over here, many was being done over here. You can see one of the query over here. My team reached out to the Google support. Now you can see around one of my guys sent an email to them as well. Now this is another over here. I'm going to show you the main ones. Okay, there were many, there were ample were done over here. So you can see on one. Okay, I have reviewed this case over here, and after this, okay, see down over here, this is one of the support chat. Okay, you can see my team was calling to the Google regarding this over here, another over here. You can see now this is interesting part I wanted to tell you. Now after the compliance being done on the website, we tried running ads on our test account to see if ads are getting approved. So ads were got approved on our test account. You can see we also tried all of the assets, like ad assets, description assets, headline assets, to see if we see any disapproval on any of the things, so that we can look around for that as well. So even after doing all of the changes and then updating on Google Search Console, we had to wait it before getting the account approved over here. You can see another appeal was submitted over here. Another day, another appeal was given over here. You can see around over here, reached out regarding circumventing suspension of the account. This account is not currently impacted by the suspension. So you can see around over here, we need to look for the, okay, you can see Advaita Hygiene Solutions. You can see around another query was being done over here. Now I'm just telling to you that how much work is done to get your suspended account restored, and after this, you can see around over here, this is one of the fine moment when our account your Google Ads account has been reactivated 176.128 6417, and you can originally match over here as a 176.128.6417 over. You can see around over this one, and the query to the client. This is an email which our client got, and another over here we say that your Google Ads account has been reactivated. Your account was temporarily suspended to verify your billing information and policy compliance. It's now reactivated, so your ads can start running again. So be it your account suspended for any reason, this will be the same message when your Google Ads account has been reactivated. And for those who don't know, if your Google Ads account remains suspended, but if you make all of the changes on the website for the compliant, we also do offer alternate Google Ads account from Google Ads Partner MCC as a Google partner for So I wanted to tell you the client testimonial, but before I share the client testimonial, I wanted to tell our website. This is our website, aarswebs.com, and if you move to the Google Ads Disapproval over here, or from our services, look around over here, you will be landed over here. Now you can see around over here our services. This is for the suspension, this is for the ads disapprovals. If your Google ads are disapproved, you need to opt for this, and if your Google ads account is suspended, you can opt for this one. And if you look around over below services, we offer compliance, audit, everything over here. You can see now over here, this is emergency same day. This is our monthly management service. This is our landing page, local service, ad suspensions over here. All of the things are being mentioned over here. Other suspensions including YouTube video, ad disapproval, destination policy, Google Ads account review, advertiser verification, new Google Ads account, and compliance being done over here. These are the services we offer. Apart from Google Ads management, usually clients shift to this Google Ads management because it's a very cheaper deal running right now over here. We can get your Google Ads account restored, plus monthly management we offer it. So this is our link for the Google Ads partner. I'm going to make it over here. So this is our Google Ads partner link, and you can find this link in the description of this. You can see around, this is the Google Ads partner link, which you can refer to our website over here. And now this is the client review on the Trustpilot. So the client was supported, and the client was helpful, and see around the review they gave to us. Great service and support from a Google Ads account suspension, removal, trust the team, the review of your website vitals, and how actually Google Ads work. Take a voting from India. So you can see the same advertising solutions provided us with a 5-star review on Trustpilot. So if you trust us, if you believe us that we can help you, then we are able to help you with the Google Ads account, suspended account. So if your Google Ads account is suspended, or if your Google Business Profile account is suspended, if your Google Budget Center account is suspended, or if you need monthly management with all of them, or if you need a website creation service, don't forget to hire me and my team through our company website with the name of aarswebs.com, and we offer a wide range of services. And this Google Ads Disapproval link shares for this as well for the services we offer. If you have any questions, you can just message on the WhatsApp as well, so that one of my team members, or even I will personally review your solutions over here. So I hope you find this amazing case study for the Google Ads suspended account, where my team was able to restore this account. It's a team effort. So yeah, we were able to successfully restore it, and we look forward working with all of you. Do hire us, and we look forward working with you. Take care. Bye bye.